Make sure you like, subscribe, and enjoy the video. Let's get to 30 subscribers. Okay, guys. So today we're going to play Hyper Shot, and we trying out the new Tralalero tralala gun. So okay. I already turned on the fit. I forgot to oh my gosh, that's so good. And oh my. I thought she killed me. Alright, so I don't even know what to pick. I ain't gonna pick none. So okay, guys, I ain't gonna pick nothing. So alright, this will be good for us. This will be good for us. Alright, the Tralarero's done, and it's good.
She said she wasn't ready to go to bed.
Open to the end. Open to the end. Open to the end.
She is ready or she died.
Oh my gosh. Kills. This Tralalero gun is the best, bro. That's the good gun. That's the goodest gun. That's the goodest gun. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's be quiet. Like, yo, let's be quiet and lock in. Alright, so we back, guys. We're gonna use this pistol a little bit, okay, so yes. Guys, luckily they put a bouncy thing, because I do not want to fall off the map. Oh, I'm just showing my prison how I was like moving. He killed me? I bet. Oh, I'm coming. Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh. So good, bro. Tralala, so Okay, we back, but I know there was like so much music that I had to edit. Like it took so long. It took so long, but like I didn't want to do it. I know you can call this editing. I know you ain't gonna enjoy the video, but please. Oh yeah, subscribe for a cookie, by the way. Okay. To end it. Alright, I'll see y'all boys tomorrow. Goodbye. Good night.